Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Yes. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. We have completed exercise 4.3 or not?
Sir, no.
How many questions are left? 4.3.
Sir, we have only done first question.
Two questions.
First question of exercise 4.3. Only first question we have done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us start with question number 2. Exercise 4.3.
Sir, sir, we have to write only answers and sir, we have to write question also.
You have to write only. अरे यार समर कितनी बार ये बात पूछोगे? तुम पहले भी मेरे से 3-4 बार पूछ चुके हो ये. How many times you will ask
And
this?
sir, can we write? Sir,
You have
can
to
we
write
write our own statement?
Yes, you have. You will write your own statements. Don't write the question. You have to write only the answers. Write the statements and solve the question. Question 2. Exercise 4.3. Okay, so Aditya Kumar will read the question. All of you, please start your videos. पहले video
Sir,
start.
okay, sir.
Wait, Aditya.
Statement resolve the gift
Wait,
problem.
Aditya.
Question
Wait.
2.
Aditya, wait. Everyone, start your videos first.
नहीं कोई बात नहीं बेटर है
आश्विक अग्रवाल, उत्सव गंगवार, मुदित मिश्रा, देव आर्या, इरम, शौर्य एंड अपूर्वा, वंश, बुनग्या, अभिमन्यु, आदित्य कुमार,
Sir, my video is on.
अंशुमान. Everyone, please start your video. Aditya Kumar, your video.
Sir, mine is also on.
Okay, Aditya, start reading the question.
Okay, sir. Second, if it costs 18,400 to buy a house
18 lakh 27,400.
18,27,400 to buy a house and 3,49,350 to buy a car, how much will it cost to buy both? Sir, can I tell answer because I have written this answer also.
Aditya, can you explain the question first?
Okay, sir. Sir, in this question, we have to find total amount and tell how much it will cost to buy car and house. Sir, can I tell the answer because I have written this answer.
Wait, Aditya. So there is a house. The cost of a house is given. The cost of a car is given. You have to tell that how much amount is required, how much money is required to buy both the things. दोनों चीजों को खरीदने के लिए कितना money चाहिए? क्या करना है? We have to add the cost of both the things. दोनों की cost को add कर लेंगे. We will get the amount. Okay. So start doing. Write these statements on your own. And first you all will send your answer in the chat box. जल्दी से. How much time? 2 minutes. जल्दी करो.
Sir, I have done all questions of exercise
Okay.
4.3.
Okay. Have you all done?
Sir, I have done.
Yes, sir.
I have received very few answers in the chat box. What about the
Sir,
others?
I have done question 3 also. Third part also of
Very
this.
few of you have sent the answer in the chat box. What
Sir, I
about
am
the
on
others?
fourth part of this. Sir, I am doing the fifth part of this.
Beta, why are you all not sending your answers in the chat box? If you have done all these questions,
Sir, I send you the answer.
Sir, I also.
I'm talking
I have
about the
also sent you second answer.
rest
We have
of
to
you.
send you all answer or
Sir, I
only
want to send you second
answer?
Send the answer of the second question only first. Send your answer of the second question. What is your answer? Total cost. Okay, let's move on to the next question. I hope everyone is done. Second one. केवल add करना है numbers को. Question 3. There were 56,32,178 people in a town A. In town A. In town B, there are this many people more than town A. Find the number of people in town B. Okay. Varun Goyal, can you explain the question?
Yes, sir. Sir, in third question, there in town, it is written that in town A there are 56,32,178 people, and in town B there were more people than town A, and there were 481,261. So, sir, we have to add these both numbers and find the population of the town B.
Yes, very good. Okay, so number of people in town A are given. Number of people
Sir, I have
more
sent
in
you
town
answer.
B, that is given. Number of people more in town B. मतलब town B में town A से कितने ज्यादा लोग हैं वो दिया हुआ है. Number of people more in town B. कितने लोग ज्यादा हैं town B में? 4,81,000 and 261. ये लोग ज्यादा हैं. इतने लोग town B में ज्यादा हैं as compared to A. So what is the total population of town B? Population of town B कैसे निकालेंगे? टाउन ए में जितने लोग ज्यादा हैं टाउन ए से वो ऐड कर दें. 5,632,178 प्लस 481,261. Add the numbers. $61,13,439 is the total population of town B. So this is your answer.
Yes,
Fourth
Sir,
sir.
this was my answer only. And sir, when you were doing question 3, sir, I was on question 4, report 1.
Very
So I
good.
have sent the answer also.
Let's
in
start
chat.
with question 4. Question 4. Samridh will read and explain question 4. Samridh.
Okay, sir. Question 4. A company had 3 factories. The
Sir,
first
please
factory
scroll up.
Just a minute, beta.
manufactures 6,27,000 buttons. The second manufactures 45,67,250 buttons. And the third manufactured 34,50,675 buttons. in a day, how many buttons were made by all three factory in a day? So,
Hmm.
so sir, this statement is number of first factory manufactured button, that will be 6,27,000, and the next second statement is number of second factory manufacturers button, and that is 45,67,250. Number of third factory manufacturers button, and the answer is 34,50,675. We so we add all these number.
To find the total number of buttons manufactured by the company. Very good. Excellent, Samrid. So yes, there is a company. Company is has three factories. तीनों factories में company buttons manufacture करती है. You have to find the total number of buttons manufactured by the company. So you will add the number of buttons manufactured in all the three companies separately. तीनों की जो buttons मैन्युफैक्चर होते हैं वो हम ऐड कर लेंगे. Okay. So you can write down these statements. Write down the statements on your own. Don't look at the board. Keep on doing on your own. So number of buttons manufactured in the first, second, and third factories separately. 6,27,000 in the first one. Second one, 45,67,250. Third one, 34,50,675. Now you find the total number of buttons. Total number of buttons manufactured. How will you find? You add all the three numbers, you will get the total number of buttons manufactured. Find it yourself, everyone. After doing it, you will send your answers in the chat box, all of you. I want an answer from everyone. I am noticing that some of you are not sending the answers in the chat box. Okay, many of you have sent the answers. Some of you have still not sent the answers. May I name the students तो जिन बच्चों ने आंसर नहीं दिया?
Sir, I have sent answer 5 also in the chat box.
Okay.
And sir, I have done
We are
exercise
starting
4.1.
question number 5 now. We are starting question 5 now. Very good, beta. Very good. I have seen your answer. Iram, I have seen. Question number
Sir,
5.
sir.
Okay, 5. I will explain you. It is a little different one. Question 5. A city has 14,65,205 females, 17,34,904 children. It has 5,23,671 more males than females. Males female से कितने ज्यादा हैं वो given है. Number of female given है, number of children given है, and number of male, exact number of male is not given. What is given is that number of females से कितने ज्यादा हैं males, that is given. Okay. So what is the total population of the city? ये आपको पूछ रहे हैं. तो total population कैसे निकलेगी? If you add number of female, number of males and number of children, total population मिलेगी. So let's do it. Number of females. Number of females 14 lakh. But सबसे पहले हमको इस क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है? We will find the number of males first. 14,65,000. Sorry. 65,205. Number of children. Number of children.
Sir, children are 17,34,904.
17,34,904. These many children. And now number of males.
More males than females.
हाँ, number of males कैसे निकलेंगे? 14,65,205 plus 5,23,671. You will add for number of females plus 5,23,671. You will get the number of males.
Sir, children were 17 lakhs.
हाँ तो बेटा लिखा तो है चिल्ड्रन 17,34,904 ये लिखा है.
But sir, in the number of males, third statement.
Third statement, number of males are 5,23,671 more than number of females. Number of females में ऐड करेंगे. आपने चिल्ड्रन में ऐड कर दिया. Okay, so you add it 1,465,205 plus 5,23,671. So 678,891. That means 19,88,876. So these are the number of males. Now total number of children, total population of the city. Total population कैसे मिलेगी? If you add number of females plus number of children plus number of males. 14,65,205, 14,205 plus 17,34,904 plus 19 plus sorry
फिर से करना पड़ेगा.
plus 19,88,876. You will add it and tell the answer. Number of females, number of males, number of children, तीनों add करो and find the answer. You all will add. Tell the answers quickly. Yeah, all of you. So I can see many of you have sent the answer in the chat box. Answer is 51,88,985. This is the total population.
My
Now,
answer is correct.
very good. Samar, Iramnag, Lakshita, Varin, Jayesh, Anshuman, Aditya Kumar, Lakshita, all these students have sent the answer and their answer is correct. Kushagra Agarwal, all these students have sent the answer. Very good. बाकी बच्चों ने आंसर नहीं भेजा. Maybe move on to the next exercise now. All of you done with this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, have you got the PDF that I have sent yesterday?
Yes, beta. Yes. Thank you so much, Iram.
Okay, sir. Welcome, sir.
Guys, 4.4 exercise 4.4 subtraction. We have to do subtraction in this exercise. Question A, first part. 67,413 minus 35,815. We have to subtract these numbers. So subtraction, it is a very difficult thing. Subtraction is very difficult, है ना? होता है ना
Yes,
difficult?
sir.
Yes, yes, Karen.
No, sir.
No,
No, sir. No, sir.
कुछ
Sir,
कुछ
but
No,
yes
sir.
difficult then addition, but
नहीं,
not so
अभी
much difficult.
मुझे एक
No, sir.
एक yes भी सुनाई दिया था अभी मुझे. Subtraction is difficult. Yes, 5th क्लास के बच्चों को subtraction difficult लगेगा. ओहो. चलिए,
No, sir. बिल्कुल नहीं
Sir, I
लगता.
also know.
67,430.
Sir, Varun said.
Varun was thinking something else.
Sir, that I by mistakenly said.
By mistake, he said. Hello, he was not serious. He was joking.
Right, sir, I said, but yes, only.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Varun was
Excuse me,
joking.
sir.
He was not serious. Yes.
Sir, I said addition is difficult than
No,
subtraction, but not so much difficult. Sir, it is very easy for me, but it is difficult than addition. But
Yes,
because addition we have to add. This I was saying.
Very good. Very good. You are absolutely right. Let's subtract these numbers. Find the answer, all of you. First and second part. Jaldi karo. Do the first and second one also. Jaldi kariye. Second one. 94178 minus 76542. 76542. Start doing.
Sir, I have done. Both the.
Sir, after completing, we have to send our answer in chat box.
Yes, yes, yes. Send your answers in the chat box. First and second part. Both the parts.
Seven, 6, 5, 4, 2.
Sir, I have done.
Okay, beta. Those who have done the first and second, they will now start doing the third one. Those who have done first, second, they can now do the third one. Start doing.